Court is calling 2024 CR 0129939, State of Texas versus, is it Cassie or Casey?
Cassie.
Cassie Ming. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense?
Jorge Canales.
And are you Ms. Ming?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, yeah.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Ming, did you review the application for deferred adjudication with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, yeah.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments and defendant's waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with assaulting a public servant as a third-degree felony? Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
She does.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe she was.
Ms. Ming, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State is silent on your applications. They're taking in consideration 2024 CC 737630 and 2024 PF 06626. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The
Yes,
only
ma'am.
items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have none.
All right, outside the agreement, the state is requesting that there be a TAP evaluation. Did you understand that it's a recommendation from the state and the court does not have to follow that recommendation?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then to the offense as charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No consent.
State, any evidence?
No objections, Your Honor.
All right, did you review this document, the waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments or review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. You want to proceed with sentencing?
I believe the PSI would be appropriate, Judge.
Do you want to proceed with sentencing?
We do.
All right. Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We'd ask that the court follow the agreement and consider her application for deferred. She does need some help. At least she was homeless at the time, and I think she still is. She would need some help in that regard.
All right, Ms. Ming.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So have you ever used any drugs in your past?
In the past.
All right. What have you used in the past?
Festival.
All right. All right. Have you ever been diagnosed with any mental health issues?
Schizophrenia, bipolar.
Okay. And do you have any family support?
No, ma'am. I
Right.
was thinking about like the state hospital or something.
All right. Do you have any children?
One,
Okay. And what is that child's age?
come on,
I'm sorry?
come on.
What's her age?
I haven't seen him since he was a newborn.
Okay. Thank you for letting me know what's going on. All right.
Okay,
All right. This is what the court is going to do. The court is going to grant your application for deferred adjudication. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular random UAs. What's going to happen? There's several programs that I'm going to try to get you into, but they're going to evaluate you at the jail. So make sure that you talk to them when they come to speak to you, okay?
okay, what about is the state hospital option?
Well, we're going to see what they say, all right?
Okay,
All right, so in custody, I'm going to want the following evaluations. I'm going to want felony drug court because they'll be able to address whatever drug issues you have, but they'll also have a mental health component, okay?
yeah, because they said something about CHCS, but if I don't qualify for that, then I'll be homeless, could come back in.
Oh, we're going to make sure that you have a place to stay, all right?
Okay,
All right, so I'm going to need you to be patient though, because sometimes it takes a while for the evaluations to get completed.
okay,
All right, so in custody, there's a felony drug court evaluation, a METH evaluation, and a TAP evaluation. If for some reason she doesn't qualify for felony drug court, then we'll do the METH and see what DDRF says. If DDRF is needed. And if for some reason it's not inpatient treatment, have her come back to court so we can figure out a placement for you so we can make sure you have housing.
I prefer to say hospital if you don't mind.
But we'll see, okay? I'll
Okay.
do my best.
All right, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Are you receiving SSI?
Yes, ma'am, 904 a month and plus my, the money that was owed to me from SSI. I have a number you can contact and reach. She was my former caseworker. Her name was Miss Carol.
All right.
Her number is.
Well, just 1 second. This is what I wanted you to do.
Okay.
Probation is going to talk to you. Make sure you let them know who your caseworker is, their name, and if you have a number for it, give them that number so we'll make sure your caseworker is contacted, okay?
Yeah, but she's no longer my caseworker, so I don't have a caseworker.
Oh, but
they
here's
have they have my money. And when I was getting my my income plus the money that was owed to me from SSI.
All right, so what we'll do is we will make sure that someone is contacted. So we'll find out. So even if she's not your caseworker, they'll have another number for us, all right?
Okay.
All right, so proof of SSI within,
904 a month.
all right, 45 days. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. There is to be a $2,000 fine. That's going to be probated. So what that means is you don't have to pay that if you complete everything, okay?
Okay.
And there is to be taken in consideration 2024 CC 737630 and 2024 PF 06626. Probation, is there anything else? All right, and I'm not going to order anger management class because I think this is more of a mental health issue with drug issue. Is there anything else you need from me?
When would I be getting released?
As soon as they've completed the evaluations.
Okay.
All right. Did you review that document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's something that comes up and you have questions about anything, let your probation officer know. If you feel they're not addressing
Do I need
it,
a PR bond?
no PR bond.
Just credit time served.
No, but I appreciate your asking. You know, it doesn't hurt to ask. All right, good luck to you, okay?
Okay, would there be credit time served when I get released?
No. But your attorney will explain it to you, okay?
The courtroom is called to order as Judge Stephanie Boyd takes the bench and formally announces the case against Cassie Ming. From the start, the tone is methodical and serious. The judge confirms appearances, then immediately establishes control by ensuring all discovery has been received and reviewed. Every question is deliberate, forcing the defendant to acknowledge her understanding on the record. Judge Stephanie Boyd carefully walks the defendant through the indictment for assault on a public servant, emphasizing the severity of the charge and the range of punishment, up to 10 years in prison and a $10,000 fine. The defendant repeatedly confirms she understands, each "yes, ma'am" locking in the reality of what she faces. The judge reinforces that any plea agreement is not guaranteed, underscoring the court's authority and discretion. As the plea proceeds, Judge Stephanie Boyd confirms the waiver of fundamental rights, jury trial, confrontation of witnesses, and the right to remain silent. There is no rush. Every safeguard is addressed, eliminating any doubt about the voluntariness of the plea. The defendant enters a no-contest plea, and the court finds sufficient evidence to support guilt, choosing to defer adjudication rather than impose immediate prison time. The emotional weight increases when the judge questions the defendant directly about her background. Admissions of past meth use, diagnoses of schizophrenia and bipolar disorder, homelessness, and lack of family support reveal a troubling personal history. Judge Stephanie Boyd listens but remains firm, signaling compassion without leniency. The ruling is decisive. The court grants deferred adjudication for 4 years with strict conditions: regular reporting, random drug tests, multiple evaluations, potential inpatient treatment, housing review, and restrictions involving minors. A $2,000 fine is probated and prior cases are taken into account. The judge makes it clear this is a narrow opportunity, not a free pass. Finally, Judge Stephanie Boyd explains the loss of appeal rights due to the plea bargain. With a calm but final tone, she closes the hearing with a brief "good luck to you," leaving the defendant fully aware that any misstep could result in a prison sentence. The courtroom falls silent under the weight of consequences clearly defined.